This is my favorite spot, inside the fig tree. I am just loving this tree. I stand right in the middle of the branches and pick these luscious figs. It's February 22nd, and we trimmed some of our fig tree. It might be a little too late for that. We hope not. As you can see, the cover crop is growing in of red clover. We cut off all the tall branches, and we tried to do it right above a node so that the branches will grow sideways, according to other YouTube fig trimming experts. Our driveway sheds water and collects dirt, and it turns into really nice topsoil. So I'm going to just shovel that up and put it into some pots and stick these cuttings into the pots. The growth has already started at the top of the cutting, so I hope it will take and make new fig trees. 6 cuttings potted, and maybe we'll get 6 fig trees.